As per our daily videos, today we will speak about the first Indian freedom struggle and the causes of the Sipahi revolt in 1857. The revolt of 1857. Date Sunday, May 10, 1857. The sun was about to set when the Indian soldiers began firing their guns on their English officers. These were the same soldiers who had helped the English to conquer the kingdoms of India. Now we will discuss about the causes of Sipahi revolt at first. They were not treated with respect in the British army. They were not getting salaries on the time. On top of this,
the Sipahis suspected that the cartridges for their new guns were being coated with cow and pig fat to keep them dry. They felt that their religious faith was being violated.
the sense of discontent at Meerut was widespread, and on this day the soldiers opened fire on their English officers.
Mangal Pandey name has been in history as the man behind the events that led to the Indian Rebellion of 1857, the first Indian freedom struggle. He was a Sipahi in the Bengal Native Infantry, a regiment of the East India Company, and he was executed on April 8, 1857.
After that, there were a merry 45,000 English officers and the soldiers in India. Against this, the number of Indian soldiers in their English army was 232,000. So, who would now protect the lives and property of the English residences in the town? Consequently, many English soldiers went back to protect the English families. As a result of this, the revolt could not suppress immediately and it spread from place to place. Now we will know about how the revolt was suppressed. The rebels fought bravely, but there were two major weaknesses among them. In every town and region, different groups of rebels fought separately against the English. They did not fight together. There was no combined as well as planned effort. They have no unity, so the English were able to tackle the rebels one by one in each area. The rebels also faced a shortage of modern arms. The guns and cannons and gunpowder they required were brought from outside India. Consequently, the rebels had to fight with old guns, arrows, spears, and swords. How long could such weapons last in the contest against the modern arms? The English deported Emperor Bahadur Shah Jafar to faraway Rangoon, and it was there that the last Mughal emperor died. The revolt of 1857 was the biggest revolt to challenge the might of the English. After suppressing it, their hold over India became stronger and they ruled the country for the next 90 years. It took the English more than 1 year to suppress the revolt of 1857. During this period, they changed many of their policies and adopted new ones. In 1858, Queen Victoria of England made an important declaration. She said Indian kings should rule their own kingdoms with anxiety because the English would not to try to dethrone them. So friends, like this way, the first Indian Sipahi revolt was started and it suppressed.
Now we can consider this first rebellion by Sipahis in 1857 or our Indians is the first foundation stone for Indian freedom struggle. If you like this video, please share and subscribe.